Hey folks, welcome back to Not the Trail. We're back on the staircase. For the simple fact is I did film a video on the trail today pertaining to the Supreme Court date tomorrow. Now, there was a lot of grumbling about not being able to find the Ostrich Farm versus the CFIA court case on the docket for the Supreme Court for tomorrow. So that's what I did the video about on the trail. And something just wasn't right, so I went and dug into it more. And I actually have crib notes here. I have a piece of paper because I am still sick. And yeah, I went on the trail, come back, did some yard work. Now I'm freezing and, it's just all of that. So I have the retention of a squirrel right now. So I took notes so I could get this hopefully right, because we all know within the system nothing is simple. Okay, it just should be simple, but it's not. So what they were given for tomorrow is judgments to be rendered on leave applications. So what that basically means in their jargon is whether or not they're going to hear the appeal. I don't know. So then further digging into it, this is what it actually says. Judgment on a leave application decides whether the court will hear the appeal or not. If the court dismisses the application for leave to appeal, the file is closed. If the court grants the leave of application, they will hear that appeal. Now, building on it some more, it says a judgment on appeal is the final judgment that ends the appeal. So that would be like if they got the appeal. So, in a complicated way of saying it, I guess tomorrow the farm is only going to find out if the court is going to hear their appeal. I don't know. That's how I'm taking it. But like I said, it is so bloody complicated. Like bloody complicated. I just don't even know why. So, it's really, I suppose it is an answer, because if they dismissed it, then they're not going to hear the appeal. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's how I'm taking it. So that's why you can't find their court case on the docket, is because tomorrow it's just to render if they're going to listen to an appeal or not. So yeah, I don't know. Tomorrow, I guess that's go time. So yeah, if you have any further information and you have to correct me in any way, feel free to do so, because like I said, squirrel brain is happening right now with this illness. So yeah, I don't know, best of luck to them tomorrow. This BS has been going on since September 24th, and the CFIA have been in custody of these birds since September 24th. So there's that. So whatever they're going to find out tomorrow, I guess we'll just have to stay tuned, and fingers crossed, guys. Let's just see what happens. But I wish I could say I'm really, really positive about it, but no. We're talking about the system here, and we're talking about in Canada right now. So a little bit negative, I guess. But here's to hoping. So yeah, I don't know. You could be further confused by what I just read to you, but you can go find it yourself too. Because yeah, I thought it was worded really weird on the post that Katie put up. So, like I said, judgments to be rendered on leave applications. Yeah. So basically, if they're going to hear your appeal or not. That's how I take it. So if you know anything other than that, please let me know. But let's just stay tuned and we'll see what happens tomorrow. So you guys take care and have a good one.